Hey everyone. Imagine for a moment you're at the helm of your very own digital empire. Sounds pretty incredible, right? Today I'm here to tell you how the Legacy Builder program can turn that dream into a reality for just $900. First off, think about this. In less than 2 weeks, you could go from zero to business. How? The Legacy Builder program isn't just a course, it's a masterclass in digital entrepreneurship. It's structured, step by step, to guide you through every phase of starting your business. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What will I sell? This program has you covered. Not only will you learn to create your own products, but you'll also get several products with master resale rights. That's right, you can start earning from day one across 4 different income streams. And here's the kicker, all this for a one-time fee of just $900. Let's talk support. With the Legacy Builder, you're never alone. You'll gain access to a vibrant community of over 15,000 members. These are entrepreneurs just like you, ready to share their insights and help you along your journey. The power of a supportive community is priceless, especially when you're building something new. And the best part? This program helps you establish your brand. In the digital world, your brand is your foundation. It's how you connect with your audience and stand out. With Legacy Builder, you'll learn to craft a brand that truly represents you, one that resonates with your audience and leaves a lasting impact. But here's the thing, spots are filling up fast. I'm not just saying that, entrepreneurship is on the rise, and more people are realizing that they don't want to work a 9-to-5 job under someone else's terms. They want freedom. They want success on their own terms, and you can have that too. So if you're ready to take control of your future, to learn invaluable skills that will serve you for a lifetime, don't wait. Join the Legacy Builder program. Invest in yourself because trust me, it's worth more than any stock or real estate investment. This is about investing in your potential, your ideas, and your dreams. Don't miss out on this opportunity. It's not just a course, it's a gateway to the life you've always wanted. Remember, it's only $900 to start. Take that leap and join us. Be the next success story. Be the next digital mogul. I can't wait to see what you build. See you on the inside.